Here's a Goodman packaged heat pump at a gas station, running. This Goodman's broken. It's not doing anything. Look at that wonderful install. That's beautiful. That's high. Oh, this is a gas back. Look at that. They're not using that. 92,000 B2 input, it looks like. It's only wired for cooling. There's where the gas line would go. There's the condensation. Oh, a ton of coal. There's blood out there. See, PGB 042 100-1A 0301. So January 2003. There's another Goodman down there. That's a 2005 5-ton. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh. It looks like they disconnected the LP from it. Oh, man, control box. Jeez, this is shit. Look at that. Oh my god. It's loud also. It's 90 degrees in the place. It's set to 70. So that says how good the thing's working. Now it's 84 on that side of the building and it's set to 70. So it's dead. Don't forget it's a Goodman. You know. Okie dokie. It's got a Bristol Reciprocating compressor down there. But decommissioned gas. Just cooling in here. Goodman gas pack. Shit install. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video.